straight from the heart. Where do you think the food must be going after you put it in your mouth and swallow it? Children, we all know that we eat, and then after eating, like, the digestion starts in your mouth. Just now I told you, with the help of tongue and with the help of teeth, you chew the food. So teeth helps in chewing the food, and tongue helps in mixing the food with the saliva. Okay, teeth helps in chewing the food. Chewing means making the big portion of your food into very small portion and make it into a small ball of a food. It becomes a small sticky ball of the food, right? And now after that it starts. I told you that in the mouth only the digestion of the carbohydrate begins, right? So carbohydrate turns into the glucose with the help of saliva. So only the carbohydrate will begin, no? So if your food has protein and vitamins and fats, yeah, so minerals and all, they will not start digesting in the mouth only. In the mouth, with the help of saliva, saliva helps in making the food soft, sticky, okay, and in the paste form with the help of after chewing it with the help of teeth. And so teeth and tongue, they both help the food to make it soft and a little sticky, so that it gets digested easily. Now what do you think after chewing it, making it into the ball, soft ball, where does it go? We all know. We say our stomach is full, so of course it goes in the stomach. But from mouth to stomach, your stomach is little far away from the mouth, no? How does it enter? So it enters through the food pipe. Okay, so let me show you. Children, you have to draw it with the help of pencil, and just whatever I am telling you, just copy it down. Okay, I am showing you how to draw this. So you just have to draw it in a rough way. It's not like you have to know each and everything, but as for 5th standard, I'll tell you how much you should know. So what happens? First, you eat the food, the mouth converts the food into a soft ball. So from the mouth, it enters into the small thin pipe. What is this pipe called? See, I'm not drawing with a pencil, so my diagram might be not so good, but you should know, okay? So you will have to excuse me for this. So what is happening here? From the mouth, it enters into a pipe, okay, and that pipe is called food pipe, right? This is called food pipe. Sorry. So from the mouth, it is entering into the pipe, and this is called food pipe, right? And from the food pipe, it enters into the stomach, a bag like structure, which is a stomach, yeah. And then from the stomach, it enters into a small intestine, okay. And from the small intestine, it enters into a large intestine, right? And from the large intestine, it comes out of your body through the anus, right? So what's happening here? This is the food pipe, okay. So your food from the mouth, it enters the food pipe. So you just remember the name food pipe only. It has a name called esophagus, okay, but you don't have to remember the name. And then it enters into a sac like structure. It is a stretchable bag like structure, which is called your stomach, okay. Now from the stomach, it enters In the stomach the food get digested because the stomach has gastric juices, lots of acids are there. Okay, HCl, hydrochloric acid, and gastric juices are there, which helps the digestion of the rest food. Okay, carbohydrate has already started in the mouth, but it won't completely get digested in the mouth, so it comes into the stomach and fatafat quickly rest all the food particles, all the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, they all starts quickly getting digested. And digested means it is getting broken down. Okay, and then most of it remains in the stomach for quite a long time, 40 to 40 minutes, and then from there it enters into the small intestine. Okay, this is a small intestine. So it enters into the small intestine, and here in the small intestine the digestion completes. Okay children, in the small intestine the digestion completes, and here the absorption starts, means absorption of the nutrition. So the nutrition that is assimilation is the word. So here what happened, the nutrition gets all the nutrient, whatever you ate. So carbohydrate, fats and proteins, they get broken down, they turn into the nutrition, and that nutrition gets absorbed into the small intestine. Okay, here digestion completes and it goes into your blood. So here rest your blood absorbs all the nutrition. Okay, and what else then rest of the undigested food. Okay, undigested food, it enters into the large intestine, and from the large intestine your food is being thrown out of your body through anus. Okay, so this is the small intestine inside, and outside is the large intestine. Okay, so that's how the digestion system is. Okay children.